Yes, they got game engine plugins. They got, you can straight up just hook into it straight up from fucking Unity right here. Why?
Yeah,
Yeah. Why would we use anything else?
sounds pretty good. Let me take all of the chats. I think,
Yeah.
yeah, we're
You even
live
got
now,
like
by
you
the
can
way,
attach it to
so
a mono behavior.
yeah.
Yeah. No, this is definitely what we'd have to do. But
Yeah.
we'd like from looking at it, it's still just raw API. We would have to make our own library, but that's probably something you'd want to do anyways.
Yeah. Yeah. Like, I don't have problems with that, really. Just, let's switch. Ah, I still have the old thumbnail for some funny reason. Whoopsie daisy. Alright. Like so.
Yeah, even like this would be
Hello,
perfect
Peppa.
for even just you to kind of just do on the stream yourself because it's all right here.
Yeah. But we need to. Are you still like just? I just need to know like where. Are you just concerned about the ML, right?
Uh, I haven't really done anything besides the project setup. Yesterday was a lazy day. Didn't do
No.
anything.
I'm just want to know like
And
kind of.
today I'm not too sure what I want to cook up.
Okay.
I would like to look more in the ML, but I do want to help you get more of the structure set up, like the
Yeah.
character.
Like it's just I just need to know like what are your interests because then it's easier for me to think. Like you just say what you want and then we'll I can see that through, you know? I trust I trust you in your full skillfulness and your professionalism and everything, you know?
I like at this given moment, I'm not 100% like clear where we're going, so
Okay.
I'm kind of just sitting as like an auditor. So it's like I'm just watching you as you go, and then making sure you can get to the next stage as fast as you can.
Okay, do you prefer that or would you like to have something to do and know where we're going?
Well, it depends on how much you want to do on the actual like live stream and YouTube video on your side, right? Like,
Yeah.
obviously, I can do my tweaks and improvements, but I'm not gonna. I don't want to have you be like, okay, and this is what Damon cooked up, and then have you get me to explain it. Like, nah, I'm not interested in that.
Alright, okay, I see. Well, this project, I'm not actually sure that I will make the video. I'm still just taking cuts and like documenting, but I think, like depending on how I feel about it, I might do a video about it. Are you not allowed unmute in Discord?
It
Coded.
should. It's like overall, it
I
shouldn't be
try
as
to do that.
complex as your other projects. Like,
Yeah.
we're using an engine and stuff, so everything's there.
Yeah.
It'll just be like your last Unity project.
Well, we'll see about that. Coded apps. We give permission to people to speak that we have spoken with before in chats and no kind of. We haven't spoken to you that much, so we don't give permission to speak in the live chat. You can still speak in any other of the channels, but not the live.
Hello, Antti.
Hello, Antti.
Hello.
But yeah, okay.
Harold.
Let's,
Yes, Antti.
let's start.
I've big problems with the thing.
Yeah. Well, eventually.
You wanna should I stream again?
Just quickly, if you
Yeah,
cannot
you should
do
just uninstall visual scripting. It brings up like a lot of extra API when you're coding too. It's just so unnecessary.
you just wait, Antti, if you're gonna do the game, could you go to another channel, just so we don't talk
Oh
over each other?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, no
Oh,
bad, but no bad feelings, but just
Yeah.
yeah. What did you say? Visual scripting? This thing.
Oh yeah, if you go to the if you go to the package manager and then look at your installed packages and then just uninstall visual scripting, it just like every method has a duplicate method for visual scripting. So when you're like coding and it gives you like and you're doing like the dot and you press down to look at your methods you can choose, you have a duplicate for everything because of visual scripting. It's so
So you
annoying.
remove both the editor and the.
Or the one that you have installed.
I have both installed.
No, not the visual. That's Visual Studio Editor.
Ah.
Those are two different packages.
Oh,
You just want to get rid of visual scripting.
Stupid. should I still? I don't want it to even be known that it has Visual Studio Editor.
Sure. Yeah, just get rid of it. I'm not using it either. It's just extra bloat. You know how the engine is.
Yeah. Do I have to maybe do assign but this value is never used? Ah, okay, that's just.
Yeah, don't worry about it. That's just the script that I made for our input keys, so you can like change them if you want. It was just using like like the video you're watching was just using the horizontal one axis.
Yeah.
And then you were checking if the value was 0, -1, or 1, which is kind of weird in my opinion.
Let's see. Git status. I don't think that. Oh yeah, but that's what I changed just now, right?
Yeah, it's the package manifests. That's what like we share to tell like the projects like packages everything's installed.
All right. Well, then I guess I will do a quick push on that.
I'm not too worried about it. I gotta go to the store here in a minute and get some cream and actually get some coffee and start my day.
All right. Well, you can do. I'm still like running things up, so I guess you can do that right now, maybe, or.
I think I will do that right now.
All right. See you in a bit.
See ya later.
And then, well, the thing is, like, if you ever just kind of like get stuck on what to do next, you could always just jump on the Twitch API because that looks like a straightforward thing.
Yeah. I think I will do that.
Yeah, there's like a lot of games that interact with Twitch, so it shouldn't be too hard.
Yeah, no.
I think they want people to have like an easy way of doing stuff with them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hello,
but if
Mr.
they have the
Lupo.
straight up like package for it in Unity, it's gonna be like so super easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't even know they'd have that. Hopefully they got one for YouTube too, but we'll just do Twitch right now to keep it simple.
We are only
Yeah,
concerned
but
about.
it will be a little bit more difficult.
I don't know. But
But you probably make more money through Twitch, don't you, than you would YouTube? Got more loops to jump through on YouTube.
Right now, yeah, because Twitch has lower threshold to start giving for ads. But what games will you make? We're making a overlay for Twitch or streaming right now. It's gonna be for Twitch first, but then we'll integrate YouTube. Just trying one API first. Yeah.
Alright, I'll be back.
All right.
Okay. See ya later.
Yes.
One thing you can also do look as while daemon is, away. You can check private DM maybe. Like you don't have to do anything about it right now, but like just good to know.
Lizard.
The damn lizards.
Yeah, I think. Can we actually do? Yeah, we should probably, but like somewhere where it's more relevant because I don't think nobody will read rules, and that only applies to the people who has permission to talk. For anybody wondering, we just have permission to talk in lives for some people, and yeah, we were just talking about rules regarding that. I don't know how one could do it, like maybe just in the already joined channel, like the description, just put just relevant talk or something like that. People might ask what does it mean, or if they do understand what they mean, then they would know, kind of. Maybe we could try that.
Yeah. What channel?
In the
live.
Yeah.
Like VC or the join. In the live, yeah.
The live, yeah.
I can probably do that.
Yeah. All right. Let's see.
I just don't think you can actually put descriptions on VCs.
You should be able to have like a set the channel
I mean,
status.
I can set the like channel. Yeah, I can do that. I guess. Yeah.
That's what I meant, but maybe description status. I thought they were the same thing.
Yeah. I mean, I know, but like, there is also in normal text channels there is a description.
Yeah. Why is it opening always through this dumbass? Edit preferences. I was supposed to do this, and then external tools, use writer. Yes, perfect. So now if I open this one, movement. Let's go. Boom, there it is. Look at that. We'll put this one over here. We'll take this one to here, and this one also to there. And wow, look at that. It glitched. All right. All right. So let's see. I think ignore collision. Let's do that, and I don't think we might even need this. Let's see if I run this with that.
Yo, what are they doing, bro? All Germans look away. Bro, look at what is it with your games, bro? The door from the last one and now this. I mean, what's going on?
I'm trying to send a message.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh no. It's an unlucky coincidence, I swear.
Really?
Yeah. Trust, bro. Trust.
Hashtag trust.
I will add another box collider here for this thing. Collider 2D, and yeah, it will be a. This one is a trigger. It's triggered, and we'll scale it up by size, so it will be something like this. I think makes sense. And then let's see if I do this. It shouldn't like affect the. Maybe we should actually. Something like this is probably good for now. Let's see if I play that. Okay, it wasn't following. Why are there... What is this one? There's appears to be two kind of... Wait, what? Nav mesh. I don't need a nav mesh agent. Okay, that was the thing. I was like, what the fuck? Okay, wait, why is this one... What is the thing that is being moved? Oh, it's the root that is being moved, no? It should be this one, but it doesn't change its values. Okay, maybe it does change its values.
Gonna get some delicious water, Birby.
Alright. Or is it just changing lower torso? But shouldn't it be this thing that is being... But this doesn't make sense. Why is it this not the thing that's being changed? Movement here. Lower leg. Right, because that's the rigged body. It's this one is the first rigged body that it can move. Right, and that's why... Oh, no. Is that a bad thing? It should probably not be. It's kind of interesting, like the root object of this whole thing is separated. So like we go down to model, we go down to root, and then we have lower torso, which is the thing that is actually being moved. But that means that this thing is not being moved. So these three components or the game objects are stationary in the beginning of the game. They don't move anywhere. but this thing moves. I don't know, like that feels a bit odd. Shouldn't it be?
Can't you use the constraints?
Constraints, like they would be connected, so like, but no, that doesn't make sense. Why would?
Yeah.
Well, I guess you could update this position
You
to
know.
those, but that still sounds a bit weird.
One thing, you can make an object called like player or entity or whatever
And I cannot update these
that
positions.
just has no components,
Yeah,
and then everything is like a child of that.
yeah, but the thing is that this one should be a child of these three, right?
Okay.
But this is the root, like the top one. But this one is the thing that I'm using for everything basically, and that's a bit weird because when I move position of this thing, this one is still stationary, right? So I should be moving this thing.
Ooh. Well, they are children, so should they be attached? There probably some setting you gotta toggle, you know?
Well, I could make a rigged body on this one. I mean, let's try that. I think that could work. And this one doesn't really have anything. It
But
just...
if you're using a rigid body on that, you gotta change out how the transforms work, because like just transform will not care about rigid body. I don't know.
See, okay, and now if I take... So I got this script over here. So now if I just take the root one instead, put it over there. Let's see. It's still same behavior, so it's good. And now I should also have the hitbox if I click on this thing. Here. I want to see this box collider where... Oh yeah, is it there? I don't see it. Where'd it go? Oh wait, it's falling through the ground. Sure. Let me just... So that's why it seems to be working. Let's try this. I don't know, still it doesn't seem to update. Still updates these ones for some reason, I don't understand why. Even if this has the root rigged body, it doesn't move those. Hello, is it Netherite that you have a new name? Or the Polish GameDev some thingy guy? Yes. Kind of weird because this one should be the one taking the force now because I changed it to this rigged body. It is Netherite. Woo! I knew it. But yeah. Wait, but it's adds force to those. Oh, I had the name since your last game. Ah, okay. I don't remember. Maybe, but it's still so weird to do it like this. Maybe I will not just do it, you know? I will just... remove this component, remove it. And then, but the thing is that it's fine. We'll create a new here, a new empty game object. Weird way to do this, but it will work. And then I will say this could actually be a like complete game object component thing, but whatever. I will just call it help box, and then this one will have the box collider 2D. Like so, we'll make it like that. And now this thing should follow along. Yeah, there it is. Hello, Doggo Man. Alright. And then I'm gonna change this one to enemy. And I think it might now. No, it doesn't. Interesting. Okay. Cool. Then I will remove this one, and I will take in project, and I will go back to prefabs, and I will drag in the stickman. Oh right, it doesn't have. I will just do this one. And then in this one I will just remove the movement script. And I will move it a little bit more like that. Now it should still work the same. But it doesn't. For some fun reason. Oh, I know why. Health box is trigger. Let's check that it doesn't collide with itself, because then it will be a problem. Yes. And then this one should not have this thing. Let's see. Oh shit.
What is that?
It's a monster. What?
Damn, bro, he getting violated.
That is definitely an overlap over there. I don't know why they're not doing anything. I'm going to make something to it. Alright. Damn it, I didn't know when Unity had a Nugget plugin. Lol. And I used Unity for a long time and struggled every time adding Nugget packages. Lol. I didn't know that either. It's just Damon added it. So yeah. Pretty cool, eh? But why are these collisions? Now I'm back again to these collisions not working, and that's so weird. Like, okay, wait, let me just undo to the point where I had this thing. Because this one worked for some funny reason, I don't know why. There, boom. And now the thing is just that it's over here. Ah, because it had the health script. Bruh. Okay, good, good, good. And now if I do a copy of this one and I remove that and then move it to the please. Yay! Alright, it works.
You are LM Steve.
What happened? Hello, how are you doing? Alright, hello.
No.
You are Steve, damn.
Damn, but like, dang, my feed didn't read out the URL.
Let's see. Now we have that. So now it just every time it hits, it should. So it wait on trigger get compared tag. So where do we ever do the check that it's not itself that it's colliding? Oh wait, because ignore collision. Right. See, smart. Anyways, now that we got that fixed, I'm just gonna rename this one also.
I am gonna make pasta CYAA later allocator. Be right back in about 10 minutes.
Alright.
I mean, why is the TTS so fast?
It's supposed to, because I don't want to hear it go slowly through everything you say every time, because that's awful.
Sounds okay. Anyways, baby.
Alright. Alright, now to figure out why the hell is this thing so damn, like, stiff and pointing upwards, like, what the fuck? I don't know why. Nah. They just prefer to... Oh wait, no. There's literally no... I have no idea why. Like they're just going up. What happened to my Discord? What the fuck? Bruh. Come on. Was it like, does it get locked in that spot?
Lizard, lizard,
Oh, no.
lizard, lizard,
Not
lizard, 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 lizard.
Like if I select here and I go like this. Oh shit. Why can't it just act normal? What the fuck? Alright. What happened? Alright, it's let's call it dead. What the fuck? Oh, heaven's sake, I don't care. Don't know why they are going up, because they don't seem to have any force to do it, but they do have it somehow. Rockstar used Lizard, amazing. I love Lizard. Lizard is amazing. Alright. Yeah, that's Pretty much.
Lizard, 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 lizard,
Another lizard, bro. I have more points. Damn. Damn. Let's see, I can yank this and paste it again, and then we can change it to a max health. And we'll do this, and then, yeah, sure. I wonder, how did you do the slider stuff in Unity? Well, we can change it quickly. This one is just for testing purposes. This one I can remove. So let's see. Then I need in here. So we have the health thing, right? So this one could also take. Is it just like a? Is there like already a slider or a? What does a slider do? Let's see. I have no idea what a slider does. Navigation. I have no idea. Visualize. I have no idea. Fill rect. Handle rect. Does it need a rect? No clue. You must have a graphic target or use the. I need a rectangle. Let's just create a new. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, actually. Just let's do it 1 by 1. Like I literally just need a pixel. That's about it. Didn't think this through. Oh, there it is. Let's make it white. Bam. Export. Home. And then in Unity, project, StreamFighter, assets. I should probably have made it textures, and let's just call it pixel export. I love people, Lucas. I mean, hello. What? What do you mean? Discard. Then we can go back in here. Now we should be able to assets. Brah. Projects. Go a step back to projects. Textures. Where's textures? I swear I added it. Did I not? Okay, let's go again. Oh wait, but I made it a PNG. But it should still be there, right? I made that down. Unity, where is Unity? There, Unity is projects, StreamFighters, assets, package, project, textures. It is there. Okay. Well, now it's there. Fuck. And let's see. 2D sprite UI. I don't remember how to do these things, but I think this is what I wanted. And probably not. Or is this what I wanted? I have no idea. Let's check here again. Do I just like... No? And how life good, I think. I have no idea. Or do I have to just create a sprite? How does this thing work? Like, do I create a 2D sprite square and just call it health? Like, I have no idea. And then I just put it here, and then I just go like, oh lol. What the hell? Okay, you can do something like this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh my god, what the fuck? Interesting. shouldn't be that hard. Like I don't know. Trying to use just an already existing slider. Don't know if that's the right way to do it, or is there like, should I just like, yeah. Or can I just take a sprite and just scale the size of it? Does that sound like a smart idea?
Woo! I'm back. You're not streaming in Discord.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah. I lost the
No idea
connection
what you're doing.
for some funny reason.
Damn. I might. I'm gonna ask in the Unity Discord I'm in if anyone else has been having compiling issues with 6.2. Like I have a script I can throw into the project that just it lets you compile with F5.
Yeah.
So I might just throw that in there.
Yeah. How did you do a health bar in Unity? Did you use a slider component, or was it just literally put a texture sprite and scale it, or how?
You got a canvas. You gotta
yeah,
first put a canvas on the character.
That was.
Are you wondering why I wasn't rendering?
No, I was wondering even how you go about it. Like I was like, why the fuck? How do one do this?
Okay,
Do you actually need a whole canvas just for a health bar?
First needs.
Damn.
Well, your UI just needs a canvas in general to like do anything.
Yeah, but I was thinking of just putting a health bar on everything, like above every entity, every stick figure.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I could be tripping, but I'm pretty sure because I don't use the old UI system. I use the new one, but they don't quite have. Well, actually, 6.2 they just added like world UI, so you could do what you're doing in the new UI. But like, damn, I'm not. Unless I was doing it myself, I wouldn't say don't bother with the new one. So my information with the IM GUI is limited to like my early days in Unity.
Okay, well.
If any of that makes sense.
Yeah.
So the answers I'm giving you for I'm GUI is lackluster. I'm not a professional in this one because I opt out of it.
All right, and then how do I make it so it's on position with? Well, is it now by position? So if I just add a UI element to it, it's an image.
Yeah, if you move the parent, it should move the canvas too.
No, it's not. You have to make it so it's.
Health box is.
Oh yeah, but the camera, it's
I don't know,
using with the camera.
Can you do? Is there a world? I'm pretty sure there's a world transform. Like you got screen space camera, but isn't there world like another one render mode? Like isn't there world? Yeah, world space. That's the one you want.
But how would that?
Yeah, now it should move with it. Because now it's part of the world, and yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Oh, but I don't. Don't want it to rotate with the character. Maybe.
Yeah. Well, you should put it just as child under like Stickman, like not under the model.
Yeah, but the Stickman. The funny thing is that
torso.
We are just moving. Like the Stickman stays in place. The model stays in place.
Make it a child of the root.
But the root stays also in place.
Move?
The only thing that moves is lower torso.
Okay.
And then everything else.
Right. Because yesterday. I was gonna figure that out, and all I did was structure them up properly.
Yeah.
Yeah, Unity's got a built-in component called like transform lock or whatever it's called, so you could just use that for right now and just make it like move the health box underneath the main root, like not the Stickman 2D. Make it a child of the Stickman 2D. Like right now you're under model or root, sorry. So like put it under there, and then add component, and then you should be able to on the right side, and then delete your search. And then, where'd it go?
You said delete your search. I mean, like, I was like, why the fuck?
Yeah. And then layout. It's no. Just click on one of these buttons here. We're looking. No. Click on one of these drop downs. Is it layout? No. Go back. It's one of their like default scripts that you get. Might be miscellaneous. No. Go back. I don't know. Just search trans animation. It's under animation, I'm pretty sure, or constraints. Constraints or animation. No, constraint. Okay, here we go. Yeah. So let's just do like position, I guess. And then add sources, and then add it to like your torso, like the main moving object. Lower, yeah, lower. And now like your weights on one is active, needs to be turned on, or press the active button. Yeah, there you go. And then now press play. Like theoretically, it should just follow the component. There you go. Perfect.
Oh yeah, so even though it's not like, okay, interesting. Okay. And then, so now that I got that, should I just use...
you just, yeah, you can move that.
Should I just use an image, or was it
Yeah,
slider? I forgot how
want.
to do this actually, like...
You could probably just use a slider and get rid of the knob. That's what I've done in the past. A UI slider, and then delete the knob.
Huh.
Yeah, drop down slider and just literally just delete the child knob.
Oh, it has like... Oh, so it has like... Ah.
Yeah, okay, and then just delete that. No, the handle. Just delete that.
Just the handle.
No. Just delete the handle. Yeah, there you go. And now it's a health bar.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, done. Health bar done. Am I right?
Ship it.
Ship it. Okay, but then this thing also needs to take in the... What is this thing called anyways? Like, is it... can I open it in code? Like, is it just called slider or slide... What? How can I get a reference to this? Is this just a game object that has
background? It's the background. No, that's... You want to change like the image or whatever background, and then it's got the source image as background.
I want to get access to the... This thing, value. Because then I can just change that, right?
Oh, well, you just make you just make a script and then get the slider component and then grab the value and then do whatever you want with it in code.
The value.
If that's what you're looking for.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, but like, how do I get the?
So like in an update loop, you would have the slider component in like a mono behavior, and then during the update, you just change like the UI slider value to the same value as your actual health.
Is a slider like it's okay? It's a slider component like this.
Yeah, it's a component. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So yeah. So you just grab it by code, and then just grab that value.
Okay.
And then do whatever you want with it.
I see.
Yeah, we in object-oriented programming, everything's like a fucking component. Something you like link into.
Okay. Well, I guess I can just keep it here in the health script and just you provide it there, and then it updates the slider.
Yeah, do public or serialize. Yeah, don't even bother with serializing anything. Just public anything you want to have in the editor, and then private if you don't. Like you don't even have to worry.
Is it just slider and then I need to... Is it...
Yeah, it'll ask for two... No. Yeah, that one right there. That's the old one. UI elements is the new one.
Okay.
You want the old one.
Okay.
Just file. And then, yeah, in here, yeah, you just update your value to, yeah. That looks good to me.
Oh my god. Why is it... It's the wrong button, I swear. No, I don't. The current health divided by...
Alright, and then
max health. Yeah.
And then have an awake function.
Awake Okay. Can I just
Yeah, that sets the health slider value to your like. Yeah, so this is when like you press play, everything turns on for the first time. So you want to set the slider's value to because it's just gonna be 0.5 or whatever you have it in the editor when you press play.
Okay. And now
It won't make sense.
like so.
Sure. So if you're gonna have 1 health, you might want to just put it max, like
Oh,
equals
but
max health.
I have it. The
Probably
value
makes
is
sense.
0 to 1, but I guess I could say current health divided by max health.
Oh, so you can go house slider max value and set it to whatever you want. So like yeah, so do house slider dot max value.
Okay.
So before value. Yeah, so house slider. There you go. Perfect.
Ah, and then I just change
then,
that
yeah,
to
that's
current. So then I just always update it to current health, and then it will always be correct.
Yeah, or yeah.
I don't even have to do that.
Oh, that's why you did the divide by max health. I was wondering, I was like, what the fuck's that?
What the fuck? What you smoking, guy?
It's like, yeah, you were thinking we were just dealing with 0 and 1, but nah, we can just change numbers. We have that programming power.
Damn. So, yeah. Sup? Oh no, C# workspan. Don't worry, it's temporary. We're making something.
You can also set the max value in the editor here too, but your code's gonna override it when you press play. It's like, you know, code rules all.
Yeah, of course. So I'm gonna try it out. Like, let's see if I just copy this one and I remove the movement script from the second one, and then I move it slightly to the right. So there you have the what the oh yeah. We need to take this thing and we need to take. Wait, which one is it? It's this one needs to know the slider, right? So it needs to take this thing. Boom. And then I'm just gonna do it manually for this one because yeah. What am I trying to do? My brain is not braining right now.
Give it some health.
Yeah, I need to access the health. So here.
You're trying to health up.
Boom, there. Okay, now if I play, yeah, and I don't think it. Oh yeah, it went. You can barely see it. Yeah, I'm damaging it. I don't know why they're still doing the
Killing them, and you're killing yourself.
Yeah, because their weapon is hitting my hitbox as well. Yeah, take that. Yeah. Okay, now they should be dead. But
This is kind of funny to watch.
That I think I will.
Damn, I was supposed to watch a movie yesterday too. My stepbrother was gonna wake me up before we were gonna go, but damn, I didn't get to bed till like way in the afternoon. No way he was waking me up. I think we're gonna go tonight. It's called Weapons.
Weapons. That's a crazy. I don't know what.
Yeah, it's about a bunch of children that get abducted.
Weapons and children. This doesn't sound good.
Yeah.
Damn. I remember not that. Let's change the weapon. Talking about weapon, let's change it a little bit so it's not that big of a hitbox, just for better testing, you know. Yeah, that's better. All right.
I don't know. Once you kind of get a bit more of a ground here, I'll probably kind of take over a bit, but for the time being,
I think green or red for health bar. Yellow. Who doesn't like yellow? Pink.
pink's good.
Yeah,
Pink or purple.
Let's go with red still, though. I think red. We'll go green. Nah, red. We'll go red. Important stuff here. Okay, why do we have like the extra notch there? Pivot. It's probably something here, right? Or where does that extra shit come from? There's like an extra shit here. Slider.
Dude, I can't believe we're using the wrong API yesterday. Oh, holy fuck.
Yeah, when you're not used to doing 2D, you know, things get weird.
I was
There.
kind of hoping you would like the idea of just kind of sticking with 3D, even though we were doing 2D. Like it's like, damn, I would have that would have never been that would have never been an issue. We wouldn't even known what was happening.
Hmm. Why did this one move? Anyways, boom. Oh wait, this one should be 0, right? Yeah. Now it's full thingy. And then we'll, I think also probably like...
Lizard, 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 lizard.
Alright, I'm gonna put that, give you that, there you go.
Lizard, 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 lizard,
This is
lizard.
small, I don't even want to push it. I can just send it to you in Discord.
This is so weird. Okay, let's quickly... Oh no!
What'd you do?
I changed a lot of things.
Damn, oh, you want to make it like bigger?
Yeah, I don't want the extra gap.
Just do scale, just do the slider itself, the top parent.
Scale, but wait, let me show you. So this thing, I want to get rid of that one.
Oh my god. Yeah, okay, so you go to fill area. No, the child. Fill. No, sorry, fill. All right, see, this is the element that's giving you trouble. You see how it's shaped in the way that's annoying, like in the scene there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, like now you're actually hovered over that box square. This is the one that's causing you troubles. You want to go... No, stop pressing with all the buttons. You're fucking it all up.
Apparently, yeah.
Honestly, just delete the slider and create a new one. I don't know, like what you like. Just delete the whole slider and just add a new one.
No. This shouldn't. Why is it even worse now?
No, like you, yeah, as I said, you fucked it. Like, just delete the slider. It'll, trust me, it's whatever, and then you'll just have to move it back in this. Maybe not even slider. Ah, perfect. Now delete the handle. Go back to square one. Yeah, delete that bitch. All right, okay. Now go back into fill area. Or fill, sorry. And now, okay, see where it says, like, go back to your transform. Oh, no. Go back in there. Go in your transform. Or turn it to max value first so we can actually see everything. You can go to the slider and turn it to full. There you go. Okay, now color to, or whatever, it doesn't matter. We can see it. Yeah, perfect. All right, and now you see that little box in the top left where it's just under where it's your transform component, where it says, like, that thing. Okay, so you want to click it. All right, now, okay, so from what I remember, it's shift or alt when, like, you gotta hold control, or maybe like hold shift, or okay, yeah, you get all these different options here. We want the middle one, but the far right one when it's stretched all the way to the sides. Like, that's what you're looking for. So you, right where your mouse is hovered, yeah, click that one. Yeah, click it. There you go. No, you picked the wrong one. Look, it's squished still. Like the symbol's not the same one. Shift click it.
I am shift clicking.
No, it's the bottom right, like the very bottom. No, do the very bottom corner selection where it's like the big ass square. Like shift alt click it.
Yeah.
No, it's alt shift click, control. No. You want it to like. I can't remember the fucking. Here, hold on. I'm gonna just open up my fucking.
I think it's just this.
Shift
Right?
and Alt to set the pivot and the position. You need to enlarge the fill area to make the fill bigger.
I'm creating one right now to see what's going on here.
The fill area is too small. You need to change the fill area.
Fill area.
It's the parent of this game object.
Yeah.
and now you can change it to the same thing as the field.
Okay, yeah. So it's alt
Ah.
click in the middle one, yeah, for the parent, and then you should be able to do the same. Yeah, do the same thing for the child because it's overextended.
The child is already set to the same.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's
Perfect.
correct.
Yeah.
Boom. Okay. Crazy. Now we can. Yeah. Now we can scale it. Boom. Crazy. Don't know why it
You
took
are
so
only
big.
scaling the fill area, but not the background. You need to enlarge the both like the whole slider, but you also
Ah.
need to change the slice, the pixels per unit in like the fill game object, so it isn't stretched.
Oh.
You see that pixels per unit multiplier?
Yeah. Oh wait, there's a move. Yeah.
It's yes, and like set it to like I don't know 2. But you need to enlarge the fill like this. You need to make it larger, like not the int but the object. It's to prevent like stretching when you make it bigger. Wait. I will send you something that will like a higher quality image for that.
Higher quality. Don't I need lower?
Huh? No. Just use like I have a 64 by 64 white square.
I
Like
have
that's
a
literally all you
10,000.
need.
I have a
I
10,024.
have 1 by 1 pixel. It seems to solve the issue.
No.
1024.
No, we
Not
don't need.
10,000.
I got
No,
a
we
1
don't
by
need
1
massive
pixel. That 1 by
textures
1
just for
pixel
a
was
health bar.
enough.
Wait, it's also with the sprite data, so it's ready to like be used in the sliced mode because I am working on a game right now.
But this works. This
Nah,
works. This
here,
works.
just take this.
really.
Just take this white square.
Yeah, it works. Boom! Look at that.
It's 1 kilobyte.
No. I got 1 by 1 pixel. It's fine. It works. I still don't know why we give the beautiful salute every time we start the game. It's like going up every time.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna start fucking with the character right now. To be honest.
Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. I don't know, like now I have a... Let me just record that snippet actually. Let me just... I'm gonna apply this to be the actual new thingy for now. Override.
Yeah, go for it. Do it.
And then... I think if I start there shouldn't be... Yeah.
Do it.
Oh wait, why the fuck when I start... Why is it set to... Sliders... Why is it to 1?
You are setting the max
Because you
value
did
but not
something
the
in
value.
code.
You're
You
setting
did
the
something
max
in code.
value but not the value.
Yeah, you only set the max value, but on your current value.
And also you can set the max value in the inspector, so you don't need that line of code.
No, I prefer doing stuff by code. I don't like inspector.
I
Yeah,
don't
Well,
like
depending on
once
the
you leave all your work to the inspector, you start to lose all your data.
Alright, let's also... Oh wait, do I need to apply that? No, I don't need to apply that. Weird. That's weird. Shouldn't I need to apply that?
It's like a double-edged sword, just like scriptable objects and stuff like that. Like, yeah, you definitely don't want to be using scriptable objects for anything. Those are designed for config switches, not for data manipulation. And that's where people get in big trouble.
Yeah. Wait, let me just actually do a start recording as well. Boom. Now we can hit. Oh wow, it did a lot of hits. Boom, boom.
I am
Yeah, take that.
Yeah, you probably have to add some like damage delay because you just probably like hit them like 4 times by just hitting
Yeah.
them once.
I am pretty sure
But-
scriptable objects are made for storing data, like, I don't know, item registries.
It's nah. You just regurgitate things from what people say on like YouTube or whatever, and damn it, like no. Once you get like hard and experience, you'll know. You'll know that they're only used in Unity, and you try to apply that to like any other programming, like you're gonna be completely lost.
Wait. How do one use Obsidian? What the fuck?
Like I'm actually I got that fucking weirdo Jason Story always like backing me up when I have that conversation.
What?
He's I don't know, he's like he's another Unity YouTuber that
Yeah.
I chat with in the Tuesday meetings.
Okay.
He's got a lot of subscribers. Yeah, so and he's pretty. He knows like I don't know. He's a nerd when it comes to Unity.
Now we can.
Like he lives in this thing.
Damn.
But he gets paid basically from like all like his rep from like what he did on YouTube. Now like his job is just people that like do random Unity stuff and actual serious projects, and they get him to make tools and stuff.
Okay. Cool. But yeah, this should. Do you need anything more besides this to maybe just to make so a delay that they can't damage one each other rapidly, or?
Say that one more time.
Do you need anything more, or is this like enough for you to just start doing shit with, or do you need some kind of tracker to not allow things to damage each other too rapidly?
That's simple code.
Yeah.
That's a simple thing you can do in code.
I think I will actually do one thing, that I will make the attack weapon be on both hands. I think that makes sense.
Damn, something happened to my rider.
Oh no.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Alright, but I will.
It's because I did the code with you. I think I took your settings somehow.
Damn.
Doesn't make any sense.
My bad. I will push this.
Interesting.
Get
Yeah, push. Damn, I'm gonna be up all day, so I'll probably actually do some things.
Alright, check out branch, help bar, push.
It wouldn't be a bad idea to jump on like the Twitch API like sooner than later to actually see what we're working with, and like before we start like.
I was thinking like if I do that now, because I think you should have enough just to get the ML working, right? Or am I wrong?
Well, honestly, the ML is like kind of like a far reach, to be honest, from what I'm seeing. But
Okay.
I think it's like something we can consider after we have what we want set up, and then maybe that could be like something to make it more fun. But I don't know.
Okay.
Like I said,
So
they
like
totally yoinked the new package and everything. It's all gone. Like I don't like, and they want you to use like really old API, and it's like using old Python and everything too. It's like the console's like yelling at me and shit too when I'm using it, and it's like crashing Unity. So it's like, I don't know. My experience so far has not been the greatest.
Alright.
But like. It is like it does work, like, but I just got to consider if it's worth the effort.
Actually, I'm switching
If
away
that makes
from.
sense.
Yeah, I mean, so we try to do the what's it the. Hold on, I'm struggling here. We do the first version just working with basic logic, and then later on we switch to maybe using ML for the second version or something like that.
Yeah, we'll just stick strong with your original idea, and then if possible, we can sprinkle the ML on it somehow.
Okay, well, so then we make normal AI logic for them to find each other and just start hitting each other?
Yes, yes. I think it'd be like easier in the direction if you make the character like playable yourself, so you could fight with it, and then when you make the AI to do the fighting and stuff, it just like it'll make more sense because like you already know all the inputs and feeds. If that makes any sense.
Yeah, but that's... So then we still need that force for the arms to be swung, basically. I still don't know why that
I think we're gonna need that regardless. Unless the AI logic that you want to make is literally just jiggle left and right a bunch. Like that's totally possible.
No, that's
It'd be
kind of my
funny to
idea.
watch.
That it just comes in like this and
Yeah.
just tries to do this.
Like that's fine.
Yeah.
Like if
I mean, one could still do like you could add force with pressing left and right. You arrow keys. Wait, but right now they're using also the same. What? Weird.
I don't know, like if we just kind of stick with just moving left and right, we could put a little bit more restrictions on like how he's like swinging. So like when right now it's kind of like flying like all around. We could like limit the hinges or something like that a little bit more, so it's not as volatile. So it's like we're not changing anything really in code, right? The agent's still just moving left and right, but we can restrict some of the movement so it's a bit more, directive.
Can we first, like, why do I still get the right arm just going like straight up? Like, I don't get it. Or yeah. Why is that one like?
I don't know. Press play and press play and tweak it. That's what I was doing yesterday. Remember? And then now go into like the hinge and start moving it around. Like none of this like stays live, so you got to remember that.
Yeah. No.
You can change a setting that will stop that, but it's not.
Like they have the same
on.
like settings left and right. That's why I'm so confused. Like how can they be so different?
Is it it could be your balancing thing that's forcing it back to 0, because remember T-posing is like holding it straight out left and right.
Yeah, but
it's like original 0-0.
Wait, but does
go into the right arm and see if your balancing is forcing it back to 0.
It doesn't have a balance. That's the thing.
No?
Yeah.
Well, does any of them have a balance? Like on
no,
the arm?
the arms doesn't have a balance. That's the thing. I don't understand how this one is going straight up.
Okay.
Like, what the fuck is happening?
It's the use connect. It's probably just the hinge then. Maybe just start fucking with it. Is it the same? Unless it like I don't know.
But they have the same settings, left and right. Like how could they be? Like I don't understand. Oh, for fuck's sake! Don't. Maybe I should just make it go in the... Yeah, because... okay, now I see. This one is plus 359. Let's make this minus 359.
Is it all making sense now?
Oh, but now it's... I forgot it needs to be for this
You did the forearm.
Yeah. Bruh. Like so. That's way better. Yo.
Now he's not reaching out to Narnia. Whatever is making him move left and right like a whole shit ton needs to be able to like tweak. Like he's moving too much like himself.
Yeah.
Like his whole movement.
But it's also like I would like to get the actual also balance a little bit better, because it's like so weird that when they move the leg it's like barely moving, like the animation. Maybe it's because it's too much force when you press move, right?
That's what I'm saying. Like when your whole body is just fucking being forced, yeeting himself. Like turn his speed down or something.
Try 1. Well, now the leg animations are definitely not happening.
Well, you got to probably give him some more force and then stiffen up like his knees to like not give out so much.
Yeah, wait, leg here.
You gotta think maybe a little bit of human anatomy here.
Okay, what the fuck? Oh, yeah. But why are they...
I changed him when he was like online, like when he was playing, and that just seemed like right. Remember?
Yeah, wait, let me try. What if I... Oh,
Oh,
Lizard.
yeah, stiffen up them
Lizard.
legs, boy.
Lizard.
and then I'll take the other leg. And I will... I think this one actually should be more like... this? Ah, yeah.
Don't save when you.
Yeah, no, I just want to try it out. They are not... The legs are not legging.
Because your speed was probably like multiplying your force or something, like whatever code you were copying, and can't remember what was going on. So you probably like gotta like times your fucking.
Yeah, I do have speed for that
so it's
force, but not for
yes. You should definitely just separate those and not have your speed impact how much your
No.
legs are being fucking forced.
That's the only thing that the speed does. Like, it's already separated.
Okay, well then what moves your character so much then?
Well, this thing. This one adds the
Physics is no right here. If is grounded, add. No, that's only for jumping.
Yeah, this is the thing that if you move, it does these things.
What the oh my god. Okay, this is why it's all fucked up. Like, you're like, your whole movement is just based on giving your legs fucking rigid body force, and like that's why everything's so like yank and stuff like what?
It's supposed to be
like your
yanky,
body is like.
but I want more.
Well, I mean like for what we need, like we kind of need like his body to be doing the motion, and then his legs will just kind of follow, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know. What does Harold think?
I think he died. Let me
Damn.
try this real quick. Wait, so now I got...
I don't know. What does Terry think?
It's so weird, like, you should also be playing... Ah, now I see. Because I changed it, right? To be the lower, but what if I change it back to be the... I think this made it worse, but I think we have gotten a better understanding of it, like, so maybe... Ah. Well, at least it changed the direction, but still not moving that, like, that's kind of...
Well, cause like you should still give your the actual feet proper rigid body impulse, but they need to be separated from like everything else, you know. Like you should be like moving your legs, but then like the effect that you want your legs to kick a bit more. So we're just gonna have to add like a separate logic to like kind of kick the leg. Like in that coroutine, you could just grab lower leg as well, and then add some like separate variable of force.
So wait, we can have lower left leg and lower right foot. Wow, that's so, and then in here, does it also have to have? Why is it called twice? I don't understand that.
Because it's left leg and right leg.
Yeah. Bruh.
So you do just kind of copy and paste here, and then instead of doing speed times or whatever, you'll probably just do like foot force, like a new variable that you can just change in the inspector to kind of see what you need.
Lower left leg, like so. Let me just quickly see this, and then that, and then it's lower. Lower right leg.
But damn, but damn, this fucking makes your character. I'm so confused. Like this might not be the effect we're looking for, because if this is controlling your actual character movement, like
No.
we gotta pin his torso somehow.
Don't. No. This is it. All right. Trust me, bro. I know what I'm doing. I have full control over here. Right, and then we can still change the speed. So we'll take. And then I'll call it lower speed. That's not how we spell lower. That's not how we spell lower either. And then we can just change this one to be lower speed. That's a bit misleading name because it's almost like you're thinking something else, you know, with lower speed, not like the lower bound or
Well,
something.
in
like
this concept, I don't know.
All right. Right. If I just press play, it should update the whole thing.
Mm,
Trust me, bro. It's not
Damn,
pressing.
did you control S?
Yeah, I did. Let me just. Why is it not just? Why doesn't it? Fuck. Ah, yeah. Refreshing.
I don't know. I
Unity
gave you that
solution.
compile script. In our DMs.
Ah. Where do I?
Yeah, you just put that in. Just under scripts, no, under project, just make a new folder called editor with a capital E. Unity registers it as don't include in build.
Like this.
Anything under this folder.
Okay.
Yep.
And just
And then
click
put it in there.
new. And
Yeah,
what do you
create a
call
new class.
compile
Just
project?
ADS. No, just do ADS. Like, just spam your keyboard. Don't matter. Yeah, don't matter what you call it.
What the fuck?
And then, yeah, just whatever, add. Don't ask again.
Oh.
And then Control A and paste that shit in there. And then now, right-click compile project. That's the name of the class. Like,
What?
it says public static class compile project.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right-click it. And then show context actions. And then rename file to match type.
Where do you see?
It's the fifth one. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Now it changed from ADS to the actual name.
Okay. And so
And
how
then
do I
now,
do this?
Control S.
Yeah, done.
We'll have to get it to actually compile, and so it actually links into Unity before we can use it. But
this is loading forever. This will never
yeah,
stop
just go to
loading.
Unity.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
yeah, because you got to open up Unity. That'll always. Damn, why is it? I don't know what the hell's. You might have to press enter, press like make a space somewhere or delete a space, and then save again,
Yeah.
and then open Unity. What the fuck? Press the build hammer. See what happens when you press the build hammer, like that. All right, now open up Unity. Piece of shit. Still nothing. Press play. This might be Arch Linux. Oh.
Most likely.
Just some warnings. It's the thing.
Let me just. Oops, that's the wrong button.
Oh, get a compile error?
Let me just exit. Boom.
Yeah, give it a compile error.
Let's see, projects, scripts, stickman, and then I'm just gonna open up movement. And now I think that the thing crashed. Amazing. Let me just... Oh wait, there it is. Why was it hidden? Oh, it was in the same... Bruh. This is how I want it. Alright, let's see. Now it's still just starting forever. It never starts.
I'm gonna restart Unity, I guess. That's the last option.
That's kind of what I probably have to do. At least it says it went through to build. Hello, welcome
I
to
don't
Godzilla.
know. Once you get that script in here, just restart Unity, and then once that's my script that I gave you is in here, you should be able to just press F5 to like force Unity to compile.
Let's see. So I always have to do this, and then it forgets that. What the fuck? Let me just do it. Oh no, now and this one I want over here.
Wait, did you close it?
Yeah, I did. Wait, why are these ones over here? Oh, come on! Why can it never get this right? This is annoying. Editor tools, writer. Okay, let's see. I still don't have the lower and leg. What the fuck?
What the?
Did I make them public? I probably didn't make them public. No, I did not.
Oh, you didn't even put them. You know, you didn't even. No, you didn't register the game objects.
Yeah.
You're grabbing the game object and then checking that you're getting the rigid bodies from the
Yeah.
game object, not the rigid body itself.
Yeah, my bad. Let me just... Actually. Like so. I don't know how you do the multi-line, that would be nice here, but... yeah.
It's
It's fine.
I don't know, if you right click it'll say there. I don't know, what is it? Column select mode, Alt Shift Insert.
Alt Shift Insert. That's such a weird key binding for it. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in here, and it's not updated for.
No, you didn't register. You didn't publicize the game object for them yet. You just, I don't know what you're doing lower. You're just getting the, yeah, you're just grabbing the same rigid body from the other legs. Like,
Bruh, I forgot to wait. But they should still have the.
Yeah, you don't have you. Okay, but you have 2 game objects, not 4. There you go. So it's the last piece here.
I thought I did that one before this. So I was like,
honestly, whoever's code you're copying here, like they're just some novice, man. Like I don't know why you'd be grabbing the game object for the leg if you're just using the rigid body. Why wouldn't you just public the rigid body and then put in the rigid body and then don't bother getting the component because you have it already? Like I don't know. It's like what? It's like you're doing this extra startup phase to get a component that you can just public the rigid body and then drag the rigid body itself in there.
Alright, now at least we have it. Crazy. Model root, and then we'll go to the lower of both of these and we'll put them in there. What? Cancel. Oh my god. Okay, please, now. So this is lower left, and then we have, and I put lower right. Perfect. Like so. So now it's lower left, lower right, right? Perfect, should work, right?
Alright, now you gotta give lower speed some more amps. You don't have to stop it. Just go where it says lower speed on the right there, and just put it to like 200. No. Yeah, lower speed. Yeah, turn that up, way up.
I think that's
high. Always just go really high. There you go.
yeah. That's how I want it.
Okay. But it's causing you to move. So just turn up all your mass. Go to every single rigid body on every single one of your components and turn your mass up to like 1,000.
Yeah, it's perfect. A little bit weird this idle position, but
Oh, what? Why did he just fall over?
what did he fall over? I didn't see that. All right. Anyways,
Yeah, he just kind of fell over and just sat down.
bruh. Wait. The mass of all of these?
Yeah. See, every rigid body's got a mass of 1, and like, except for your like lower feet, like keep them like lowish, I guess. I don't know. You might have to do some tweaking here. Yeah, it says
So-
mass is all just 1, so just give them like 120 pounds
What the fuck?
is roughly the size of a person. No, you don't want a tiny bit. 120 pounds. You're gonna probably see something different here.
You're probably gonna see something different there. Yeah.
All right. I put all his pieces to the same way. God damn.
Maybe two. Let's try 2. It's a bit too heavy now for the whole thing. I think that's just ruins like that's such a like it just gets the whole body gets too heavy when we do that. And it needs to be lighter. I think it needs to be lighter. The other way around.
I feel like I gotta kind of just get my own hands into this and kind of figure out what the fuck's going on.
Alright. You wanna do that? And I'll do the Twitch
I think
API.
I might want to do that a little bit.
Yeah. Should I push this?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah, push this. Or override them first.
Right. Close. That was a close one. We could have died or something.
Yeah, we could have had to have you commit twice. Commit unalive twice.
Rough. I'm just gonna do it on the health bar. I don't care. I get. More features to movement. Push.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Come on. Then here we go back there and we go. It's gonna load for Jesus how knows how many years. Right, not even gonna tell me that I did that push. I have to go in here. And then I'm gonna ask to do the thing. Compare PR. Create PR. And then added more features. Yes. Please load. Then never gonna load. Alright, fantastic. Okay, I'm just gonna refresh the page. Usually that fixes it. Perfect. Confirm. I'm using the Circuit Python thing to do things while I'm using the PC. Amazing. Alright, now there should be to the push the master. So now the master should have all of that shit. Boom. I will start reading the Twitch API.
Oh. Damn, I don't see it.
It should be there.
9 commits behind. Oh, okay, no, here you go. I'm thinking I thought it was up front.
You need term news. It's an epic font. I want to see that font actually. What? We're going to see how the font looks like, brother. I guess good. Okay. double click the supplied Unity package COD for download and import all files into your project. Once the import is complete, click the Twitch menu in the toolbar and then click on Edit Setting in Inspector with Show a Twitch client text box. You must enter a valid client ID in the box for the plugin to function. Navigate to the developer console to create a new application or use an existing application client ID. Okay, let's see, get started with game engine plugins, Unity and Usually game plugins are built for Unity and Unreal Engine. It works with design to make integrate unique Twitch function. This has also how do they work? What can you do with plugins? Allow the Twitch community to interact with your game via various unique functions, poll predictions, unique channel point rewards, followers, subscriptions, and more. Streamer will be able to utilize your...
That's a good question. Like, I'm unsure like what you're trying to get out of like from like the Twitch. That's what are you trying to like? Damn, like you said you want them to like sign up, like you're looking for them to interact during the fight, or
Like right now, there's not gonna be anything. It's just gonna be them. Like when you watch, you will have a character that will fight. That's it. Just to keep it.
You could have them like poll to see who wins, and they get awarded some sort of like Twitch points or some shit like that.
Yeah, like you could use the like points to just upgrade your character or whatnot, or spawn some funny event or whatnot. But that's like later. For now, we just wanna have fighting going on, and that's it. I don't try to think a bigger scope before we reach that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, okay, man.
Alright. Let's see, there should double with the package. See overview, download, import all files. Once you just complete, click Twitch menu. So wait, can I just get it from the packet manager? Or bit confused. Twitch.
Oh my god.
Where's the how prerequisites? Before you can move on and start building your first game feature, you must first create an application. Whoa. On Twitch itself, navigate to your developer console and create a new application and select appropriate categories such as game integration. After you have created an application, click on the manage and you will be presented a client ID. This will be used by the plugin to interact with Twitch. Alright, let's see. I will create a new... Just to see that there's nothing... where's copy link address there? Let's see, authorize. Console apps, let's see. Register your app, name. StreamerFighter. And and how do you go about this? Wait, for you to do, navigate to the create a new application and select an appropriate create an click on menu. What can I put in this? Must use HTTP protocol, but what is this QR redirect? To create a Twitch application. Alright. First step to getting access to the token is to register application include Twitch extension and chatbots. To register application, log into your developer console in your Twitch. Sign up when you sign up. You must also have enabled two-factor on your account. Navigate to security private. I think I have that, but just gonna make sure that. Well, I guess otherwise I wouldn't be able to even access the link. So Yeah. Let's see. 2-factor. Where is it? Edit to. No, I have it enabled. Okay, good. Then you'll need to refresh your console. Select application tab and develop console, and then click register your application. Applications, register your application. Set names as application must be unique among all to which application your app name is listed on the connection page under other connection if you require. Okay, set QoS redirect to the callback URL that your app uses for authorization after adding your direct URL. Click add. But what is this? That's the thing I'm trying to figure out. Can I just make it localhost or something like that for testing purposes? Like. You're having fun?
Dude, he's like fucking Twinkle Toes. Dude, I gotta turn the stream on. Hold up. This shit's fucking hilarious. Hold on. I gotta actually turn on stream mode. Just in case.
Alright, wait, it's loading. Okay, now we're watching.
Oh no! Sorry, hold on. He fell off. Did I,
I mean, it's like almost working, right?
Look at he's like fucking Twinkle. Oh shit! No! Look at his little like Twinkle Toes. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. All right, yeah. So, got his fucking stand. He can stand up straight. All right. Look at that. Look at this fucking gangster. He's ready. Look at that. He's ready to fucking swing.
What if we just completely ignore the animation thing and just make it so they can move 80 degrees, right? So forward to each direction by default, and then we just apply the force. Could we do that? I think that would be better. Or am I wrong?
I probably got to see it visually just to understand what you're trying to get at here.
Right, because right now we changed the lower and upper angle for the hinge joint, right? With using the animator, right?
Yeah.
But what if we just don't do that and remove the animator thing, and we just make it by default that it's always that full range, and then just by force it will automatically just take those angles, when we move.
Yeah, that sounds better. I don't know. Like I said, they were just using the animator so they can get a static flow of time for their inputs, and I feel like having it like more in control for us on our side is probably better.
Yeah.
Maybe even using like the animator like curve tool, that thing that you were looking at where it's got the line where you can move.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if we need that. I'm like.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I gotta figure out why he's moving so much. Like that's like.
I think it's just literally just the force, because it's when you apply force to the legs, it moves the whole root component with it, and it just needs more, but at the same time it needs less.
Yeah, that's why his legs. Oh, look at that! He did some walking.
What if one normalized? What if one, I don't know, like try to, instead of just moving straight right or left, what if one added the force to be like slightly upwards, an upwards angle to the left and slightly upwards angle to the right? when you add the force to the rigid body for movement. You know? Maybe that would be better.
Maybe. I'm just trying to figure out what's really going on here.
You're right.
Why is he fucking...
Have sourcing for this station. Maybe we were better than me with information. I was told to use log as your redirect, as I was told you can use this website for implicit code. I tried putting a local host as in my redirect. My link click connect Twitch, but then brought me over to it. It didn't give me tokens, so I didn't. So it's used elsewhere, but I never had to this token. I click on that link, copy it. The redirect is whatever you want it to be. It's whether the user will be redirected to when connecting to your app. If you need to send users through an authentication process for your app, then you'll need a URL that is publicly accessible and the web server set up and handles the process. To authenticate yourself, you don't need the authenticate process at all, just use localhost, yeah, as the redirect yourself. Yeah, that was what I was thinking. Let's see. We received the result of going to either access token failure message. Just accept. Select category. We're gonna be a application integrators, browser, broadcast suite, chatbot, giveaway, and I don't know what browser extension. Nah, application integration. Nah, it's kind of a game. Select category. Click I'm not a robot. Whoa. Traffic lights, sure. Next. Stairs, sure. And then crate. And that should be back in the application tab. Locate your app under develop and manage. There. Note your client ID, which you will use to get access token, and set the client ID header in the API request. Client IDs are considered public and can be embedded in web page source. Okay. Depending on the flow you can use to get the token, you may need the client secret. For example, the authentication from require client secret. Click new to generate secret you will use to get access to the token. You must copy this secret and store it somewhere safe. Your new secret invalidates the previous secret, which might make your API request fail until you update your app. Your client secret as your password. You must keep it confidential and never expose it to user. Warning: do not share client ID among applications. Each application must have its own client ID. Sharing client ID among applications may result in suspension of your application access to Twitch API. Okay.
Don't
Interesting.
fuck around, you'll find out.
Yeah, wait, what are... Okay. Alright, hello Summit. Let's see. So, now I got that. Let's see, I went through, I got first Unity package overview for download and import files. So once the import is complete, click Twitch. Wait, I need to import something. Where's the prefix? Negative order. Create a new application on client. Select appropriate category such as game integration. Click on manage and press client. Will be the ID. In building your first game. Great. Now you can build your first Twitch. Head over to Unity guide. Okay. But this is the same thing. I don't have any imports, so now I'm a bit confused. Double click supplied. Double click the supplied Unity package. See overview for download. Where is the download? Download. Okay, get me to the download. Where do I download this thing? What am I supposed to download? Or is like what? Plugins utilize the device code flow with easy application conjunction. Can use here just like any other prefab. Unreal will support both visuals on Maker plugin use GML. The base C++ core for plugins also available on request, such as need for out this form. The source code from GameMaker version can be found here. To Unity and Unreal refer to learn more. But this the components available in Twitch Gaming plugin. Do I need anything more? Like I'm confused with this. Like, do I need another package? This says import files. There's no files to import. I don't know. I will just assume that this is good to go. To click on the Twitch menu.
Let me see.
It says double click.
Did you download? Did you down? Yeah. You
What am I supposed to download?
see overview.
Yeah, that's this thing. And there's
Yeah.
no download.
Okay, yeah. Let me check. No documents for the game makers here. Unity. Refer to the Unity right there where it says Unity.
Yeah, then it brings me here.
It's like purple.
Yeah, it's this thing.
Oh, let me. I think I got the website still open.
I'll just maybe AI now this thing. I'm a bit confused. Like, what am I supposed to download? Am I supposed to download something?
Twitch SDK. Okay. Let me see if NuGet's got it. That's probably. Okay, I already got NuGet installed in Unity here.
Unity download a Unity package file. The file contains asset scripts that you need to you can file import. But where do I find this file? That's not this package. Based on our you do like the part of that, but that it's not there. Oh my god! And I pressed the X. Let me just open this one up.
There are a lot of games
Twitch chat interaction in your game.
nowadays that provide a very cool feature for Twitch
Oh.
streamers.
It's right underneath your nose, dog. Yeah. Okay, so go to the page where it says "Get started with the game engine plugins."
Get started with the game engine plugins. Yeah.
Yeah, right here. Now where it says download Unity Unreal Game Maker plugin, like click Unity.
Bruh. Why can it not just... Why? I thought that was like literally the title. Like, what the fuck? That's a fucking lie, I swear. Doesn't matter where I store
Took
it.
me all of like 3 minutes. No, you're gonna have to like load it in. Like once you drag it into Unity, like it'll make a copy of it. So just put it on your desktop or somewhere.
Can I not just store it straight into the project?
Like no, like. No, I wouldn't. No, because it's a separate object. It's like a zip file, and like when you put it in Unity, it unzips it and puts all actual files in it. So it's like if you put it in Unity, it like you'll have it. You're gonna delete it anyways. I don't know. No matter where you put it.
I'm gonna create a folder called Unity.
Like I would just
packages.
delete it after.
But if I need it at some point later for another project, I don't know. I will still have it there. All right. How do I then go about importing a Unity project?
You can either just double click and open it, and it'll ask you if you got an editor open already. But I would just drag and drop it into your, like the project folder somewhere, and then it'll put it like in Unity here. Yeah, drag and drop it. Yeah, right there somewhere.
And there's packages.
Yeah, perfect. Right there on the bottom.
And here's packages. Can I not just do it in here?
I think it'll put it in its own directive. Like
Okay.
it doesn't matter where you. Oh, it's zipped. It looks. No, it's a Unity pack.
Copying external. Wait, cancel. Why did you go there? What the fuck? Cancel. Bruh, cancel. Just keep it here, please. What the fuck? Did it do it? I don't think it did.
I don't know. Try double clicking it. You're on Arch. You're on Arch Linux, so it's like
Recommended applications.
try double clicking it. What is it? I don't know. I might have to install it for us and then push it.
I will.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on here. Give me
Wait.
1 second.
Oh no, I will figure this out. They have a how to install packages. Oh my god, what is that? Extensions embedding mobile.
Yeah, I don't know. If you look at my stream here real quick.
I'm looking.
Like, yeah. You're kind of like getting kind of like jerked a little bit. See, this is the download right here. It's got like the Unity symbol and everything. Like if I were to double click it, it'll ask me to open it up in the Unity editor, but I already have it open. But I'm just gonna drag it and drop it in here, and then it opens up this window here, and it tells me this is what it's installing. Like gives me the SDK, all the downloads, everything, and I can just import it. So it's like, I feel like you might be just kind of jumping like a dumb hoop because you're in Arch Linux. Like we might just, like I could just push this if you, I don't know. You could spend a few more minutes on it if you want, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna just tuck it in here and just wait for you to say push.
I just have Unity Hub. That's the only option I have, bruh.
It just might be like a user error because your situation.
Yeah. Let me just see. They had they had how to. It's alright. Unity import packages. Just not Arch Linux. I could literally just spell Linux and I could probably find something. But let's see. What did we import local packages? Unity package into Unity projects on Arch editor built-in function. Import. Okay, well maybe it's yeah, it says that you can do editor import. Am I blind? Navigate to assets. Import.
Ooh,
package.
import package. There you go.
And oh look, there it is. Open. Oh, how about that?
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Import.
Alright. Perfect. It puts it in plugins, so it's yeah, it's whatever. Yeah, it's fine.
Alright.
Alright, are they just punching each other, or should I set up like a slot for a weapon? Or you kind of want to get a little artsy with some swords or something?
I think if we get a good controller working first, then we can get fancy with weapons. Does that sound good?
Alright. That sounds good.
I think maybe it's also we just need to recreate the whole system, like make it completely different. Maybe, I don't know, a third, fourth time, you know, without using, I don't know, like.
I think what you got like here is a good basis for me to understand kind of like what you're looking for.
I guess.
So, like I'm like when it comes to like world building and making games and stuff, like I don't know, I'm not like too creative, but like the actual like design side I'm good on.
Okay, well yeah, it's basically like.
That's why you won't see me making like games myself.
That's good. It's alright. Alright, I will continue on with this thing. So now I got the two things, right? Experimental Mac support. I don't need Mac support. Authentication. Authentication requires you to maintain 2 game task objects of type authentication info out state. And okay. Can be called at any time to ensure that your user out state is up to date. Generally, we suggest you do this in the start function of your management code. Prior to first login, you must call Twitch API get authentication info scope with more valid Twitch. Wait, sorry. Wait, maybe we should read. There was one more thing. Once you import this, click Twitch menu in the toolbar and then click Edit Settings. Like so. Alright, and then the inspector will then show the client text box. You must enter a valid ID in the for going to function. Navigate to the org to do. Okay. This one was publicly okay to share, so yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna share it with every single one of you. Boom. Then it can be called that prior to the first login, you must call get authentication info scope with one of more valid Twitch auth scope. This will return an object of type game task. Okay, once get out state is called at least once, you can check the status of the authentication via the maybe result of state. If the maybe result is not null, you can check its status, such as current state, maybe result status. Possible states are auth logged in, auth logged out, auth waiting for code. If the state is waiting for code, then user needs to complete the login flow. To do so, create a object via the maybe result of Twitch API. So if the result is not null, then you should be able to launch the browser window with the URI from the user out info object. Note the example class below. It's expected that you call get out info from some external source such as login menu, list of scopes, view business information channel, broadcast configuration include update channel configure managing. Alright. Not some of these scopes are required for functionality of a given type, such as polls requires the management poll. Further scopes to learn more about which scopes you should select. Actually, I'm gonna, because I'm moving away from here more to Obsidian, I'm gonna do like so. And then let's see. Where was I here? Example of the issue manager class. So you have these, then you have those two structs at the start. Get that update and let me just take this. Ba-bam. Okay, so they have like auth manager mono behavior. Alright, let's see. So assets. I don't need to change anything here anymore. I can just go to projects, scripts, and then I will create this one. Create a folder called Twitch API. Or maybe just Twitch is enough. I want something else there. And it was auth manager. Let's open that one. And boom. Actually. Boom. What the fuck? What's happening?
Debbie's he's freaking out. Look at this lad.
Wait. Oh shit! He's having a time of his life.
Yeah, he's trying to figure out his ways.
Lizard, lizard,
Lizard,
lizard,
lizard.
lizard, 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 lizard.
That's too funny.
Okay, that's interesting. Public, shouldn't this work? Like, it should know that it's even public. Or is C# sensitive to what order you declare a function? No?
No.
No. I don't know, it doesn't recognize that this is a...
Well, like it would depends what context you mean, but you're talking about just if you're writing it, if you're depends on we have our
Oh, it's...
order
I
of
see the issue.
we have our order of operations. So if you're calling something before you
What?
set something up.
Kind of interesting. I just copy pasted their example code, and it's... I don't know if this is actually another function, inbuilt function call, and this is just your own implementation, or if this was intentional to have a lot upper and lowercase.
No. Yeah, I would say that it was just a typo. No, it's just a typo.
That happens way too often in tutorials. That's why you don't copy paste code, but I do that.
I don't know, does it ask for a secrets or something? You need
it does.
You probably do.
Only for I think so far I only gotten to that it asks for a client ID. I haven't gotten to the part where it would ask for a secret yet. So yeah. But let's see, wait, so we have this one, which is what does, okay, so it's a class that takes a game task. What's a game task in Unity?
Let me see here. No such thing as a game task. Game task is part of the Twitch SDK. That's their shit.
Alright. Okay, whatever.
If you got questions, just control or shift and then click on game task, the name. It's one of the buttons. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so then we'll jump.
And then you'll just be able to just see everything, right?
Legal noise. Important accessing using JetBrains to go. You agree to the certain terms or conditions. Oh wait, so this decompiler. Oh, maybe I shouldn't on live stream.
No, you're good. You're good. No, you're fine. No, you're good. You're good. You just can't it's a user agreement, so it's it doesn't matter if you're showing it or anything like that. They're still objected to the fucking license themselves too. This is not a because they just don't want you to use the source code for something else. But
okay,
you as a person, it's not nothing you get in trouble with. It's for everyone's subject to it.
Alright. Oh, okay. In game state, out state, get state can be called at any time. Ensure that your user out state is up to date. Generally, you suggest do this start function. So you do the start, then Twitch API gets state, gets this in if logged in, user is logged in, logged out, user is logged. This example you call get out information to just log in. Wait, what? And then waiting for code, user out get application info required scope. Use still loading. We reached the state where if we ask for the user to log in. Get application scopes of you must call Twitch get auth application with one or more valid Twitch scope. This will return an object. What is a Twitch auth scope?
I'm back.
Welcome back.
Hey.
Oh, okay. Oh wait, you can track. Is this all of the? Let's subscope. Oh, okay. So wait, I just provide. Wait, do I just say Twitch dot? Let's see. Is it channel? No. How do I access this channel? Why do you do that? Or is it channel share event? Still not sure what am I supposed to put in here. Let's see. I open this one as well. Twitch get. It's unreal. Shouldn't be too hard to convert it, but let's see. Maybe I'll just ask AI. AI is still not bad at answering these questions, and you should not have to be too concerned about. Let's see a blueprint. Oh shit. I wish I could access these things. This looks pretty good. All right. Let's see. Oh wow! Look at that. That's definitely so funny. Making a game where it just spawns random balls or something like that. Oh my god. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Let's check out ChatGPT and ask. With Twitch API for Unity. The starting point puts a few things clarified. Start should be. Bruh. I did not even notice that myself. Like so. Handling async game task. Twitch the uses this like async tag. You need to poll them, await them depending on the SDK version or complete handling.
What the fuck?
Opening login.
He's doing some ballet.
Calling application. The code should be something like. Here's how the logging process works. If already logged in, good. If logged out, call get trigger login flow. If waiting for code, open Twitch login page. Login. Twitch reduction. Keep checking. Get. So wait, but okay. So they just added a current step for important async task don't auto complete, and then okay, update state. state and then on result plus equal hand. Whoa, what the handle result? Plus equal handle result, but there is no return. I'm a bit confused here. Okay. Trigger by login button, get out. That's a completely different. Oh, wait. Okay, so they just moved it from here to there. Okay, now I see what they did. Okay, and then, but what is this scope? I still don't understand the scope. But it looks a bit cleaner.
Let me see.
You don't have to see yet. I'm still trying to figure shit out. Oh, look here, they have some scope. Right.
3, 2,
What is that?
1, go!
Oh. Okay, what's your stream? I was like, what the fuck is that sound? I was like, what the heck? Add a UI button in Unity that calls get info after using logs in at handle state. You should eventually fire. Okay, maybe I should just read a little bit further what they explain in this case. Okay. So polls, when utilizing the poll function of the plugins, you must maintain game task of type poll. Game task poll, you can use the task to determine if a poll has started, that is active, or has returned result. To create a new poll, make new object of type. Use the new poll function pass. Poll Twitch, new poll, some title, choices, duration. Once created, you can use maybe result to check. Okay, wait. So now our poll maybe result. Okay. The result variable contains info object to check status, choice values, poll status, poll result, info choice. For more information can be found in references. So wait, here they have a game task poll. And then they didn't, wait, hold on. They created a poll manager. Okay, poll has ended. And then they do, okay, poll choices, but now they don't provide the time duration. What the fuck? Not null. Twitch get maybe starts in. Okay, now here, wait. What status scopes any? What the fuck is this? A Twitch. Oh, here. Okay, wait. So, get out action info. Is it just Twitch out scope channel manage poll? Okay, do I even need to do this? Update poll has ended. True, then it returns. Else poll active, maybe poll return. This poll active, return. Now poll is finished. Poll is. Okay. Prediction function must in the same way as polls, only with limit of choice of outcomes. To interact with prediction, you must maintain a game task of type prediction game task. Predict makes new object of type. Prediction function pass in the predict definition example, new poll, some prediction. Okay. And this is just giving some examples on how to do channel point reward. Okay, to retrieve information, display name, view count, or user type, you must maintain info. If you wish to retrieve email information, you must request appropriate scope application. Viewer count, language, game name, etc. You must maintain. But yeah, here you can get login name. So you must be able to use. This is probably what I want to use. Subscribe to events. Just new follower, subscriber rates, hype. Oh yeah, we should. In events you have choice to do. We recommend that you only use one at a time if you plan on things at regular intervals, such as next event. Follows. Ooh. When you follow, you become huge, and when you subscribe, you become even huger. Okay, interesting.
You just really like the idea of growing.
Yeah.
your last Unity game, you're just growing.
True. Like you're just gonna grow in
Yeah,
all
no,
of
my
my
guy
game. That's
only
the
wants to
point.
grow.
Become bigger. You know, the same way that money. You know.
Oh no, I think bro's dreaming.
Harold, do you want to complete my sentence?
Nick. What?
Bro took it literally too far. I was like, okay.
Yeah.
See, are there other people who have used it to do? It's whatever. I will just wing it. Let's try it out. Okay, so we have. I think this seems pretty legit though. What it does, like I like it. So I'm just.
Dude, I've already like found out why your legs were fucking not really working.
Oh, why not?
Yeah. Look at the stream.
All right. Wait, where is your stream? There it is. Pop out. It's a loading. It's a loading a lot. All right, now.
All right. See, if I hold left or right, let's just hold left. Like
Yeah.
this, like that's what happens when you just hold left.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see how he's not really like actually like going back. He's just continually moving forward.
Mhm.
Like, that's why. And it's the same with like moving back.
Yeah.
Like you get that 1-2, like initially, like see like the 1-2 when you just press it,
Yeah.
right? But if you hold it, it's just.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you're kind of getting like the effect you want, but you got to tune it so it's not, doing this.
Yeah.
It actually does something like this every time.
Yeah.
Almost.
That it shouldn't start. It's kind of weird that it does. Like, is the coroutine wrong or what's wrong with it? Shouldn't like.
I'll get to the bottom of it.
All right. I trust
But
you.
it's definitely just like how the code's working.
Yeah.
But as you can see, he's just hanging around. It's a lot easier when he's not fucking moving everywhere. I can see what's going on here. This is good. Yeah, this is good. I like this angle. What do you think? A little more?
What? I went back to trying to understand the API.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, forget about it.
Alright. Wait, but it says that you should be able to pull. Wait. Because update. State. Don't they do the same thing here? Oh, it's state. Let's see. This thing. No, they don't do that. Why would I? But if current state is not. Yeah, okay, now I see. Well, I don't care about that actually. What the fuck? Can I please just make a what? Why? Okay, I don't care. And out. That one should be fine. Okay, that makes more sense actually. It's got it lowercase. But yeah, that's also gonna be. So probably won't be using update then in that case, but update out state. This is a bit weird that they actually do it like this. Current out state on result plus e equals. I don't understand this. What the fuck? Does it just put this inside of it? Like, why would you call it like this? But I like this one a lot more than what this thing provided me with. Oh, that's horrible. Don't know why it's not. Why can't I just do a normal? Can I do this maybe? Thank you. And then same thing that this they did over here, but for me I just get this thing. Then I should be able to do current out state dot status state. Right. Maybe result status. Maybe result dot status. Like so. And then let's see. Yeah, I think this looks pretty cool actually. So, user is logged in, user is logged out, and then here, then asking for that, and then it just does this, and then I don't know how that's correct setup, and then get user information. Login button option. Check to see if the user is currently logged in or not. Example. Okay. So I will just take the same, and then I will just this, then go like so, and then this, that, and then oh, so you pass in the scopes in here. Oh, and then you take in. Wait, you have Twitch, you have the scopes, and then, but wait, get this. Wait, where the what do you call update out state from? Oh yeah, that one I did from here, but where does this one do that? They call it in the start, and that I also do in the start. Okay. I still have no idea what the fuck that is, and where does this come from, and what the hell is happening, but handle out state result. Wait, what? They don't have. Ah, yeah, so they have this being called, and then I don't understand how that works, but sure. I have no idea. That's okay. Let's see how bad this run. So then add UI button Unity calls this after using handle state should eventually fire. Okay, let's see. So if I go here and we create a new Canva, And this is literally just, I'm just gonna call it UI. Maybe Twitch UI. Twitch, oh, come on. Twitch UI. Like so. And then this thing will take this thing. And we'll need a button. Like so. Sure. I don't know what the fuck this is. Sure, let's take that as well. I don't know. More bloat. Alright. And that can close. And now there's a beautiful button. How do I unclick here? Ah, yeah, probably remove from here and then add to this one. I don't know for now. For example, power method will be executed when a button is clicked. Attach the game object and your scene by right-clicking the hierarchy, selecting create empty, drag the game object in the inspector, attach to the do, connect the button to the script. Hierarchy in the inspector button script component, locate on click list. Drag game object with your so wait, can I just drag itself in there and then drag the game object to attach the empty field runtime only. From the drop down menu appear select your script name. And there should be a yes, your button after using logs handle should eventually fire. Curl it between session. Alright, I don't know, let's see. Worst case scenario, this doesn't run. Kinda hard to see even. It's logged out. Okay, we got something. Cool. So wait, that means if it went through here and then it's logged out and supposed to do something else. After using, okay, wait, fucking, I do about in that calls. After using login, you should eventually fire logged in. Handle. But that they do in the they only call this one once. Very confused. Why would you? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Still don't understand it. Yeah, that doesn't make sense at all. But I can do this. So I do it twice now. Why would I do it twice? Doesn't make sense at all. I'll show you how to store access token locally so users don't have to log in every time. No, I want to get it running. And this time it didn't do anything. Interesting. Let's see, maybe there's a video on it. I'm gonna check it. Unity setup Twitch API. Integration with Unity tutorial.
Well, or even if you wanna pet me, you can also give me a little. Hello, I'm Paolo. This right here is Milo. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to integrate Twitch chat into your game. So how this works is basically Twitch has an IRC chat, and we
Crazy. My internet speed is like so fast that it even gives me a loading icon.
are going to connect to it with a little protocol, and then basically any text that comes in or out, we're going to read from that, and then we can use that text in any way we want in our game. So to get started, let's just create an empty object over here. Let's call them Twitch Connect, and then let's add the same for a script, Twitch Connect. So we'll get rid of the start function, we're not going to need it, and then we add a couple includes. First for system.nets.sockets, which is what will have the TCP client, and then for system IO, which will have the stream reader and writer. We declare a few variables here, TCP client Twitch, and that's what we're going to use to connect to the RC, and then
very old where you used a TCP instead, and sockets. That's very different from just using the API, which I'm trying to see if I could find. Shutter screen. 8 years ago. There isn't much about this. That's a bit except for the documentations that I find. But okay, implement Twitch API Unity. This one might be it.
Welcome to this first chapter and first trial at making a Twitch integration or overall online integration to a choice-based game. We're going to make this as generic as possible. So we have a first black box. I'm talking about the black box because it's interesting to not know what it's going to be. Because it's going to be the Twitch API, or maybe a Discord server, or maybe a custom-made multiplayer mode, or anything IRC integration, Microsoft Teams. In programming, I consider that whenever you don't exactly know what something is going to be, but they are all going to need to do the exact same thing, it is going to be an interface. Now we have a second black box, which is our game, the game choice. The game with choices. The game with currently, this element controls the player and the controller. But honestly, I don't think that would be too interesting. What we need is to somehow go from here to here. The controller is directly the Twitch API. So, turn-based concept. First, a choice. A request or choice to make. A callback or system that allows gets the results. A callback that tells when the call. Let's talk about the call, okay? When the call is over. Okay, so first of all, just to be sure we have everything, we're going to have a request manager. This is what the game is going to tell. I want to ask something, and this is where the interface is going to register itself. Now, of course, we're going to need one class, one master class, which is going to be a request. A request is, one, the question capable of start and stop a question, already capable to this. All to listen the part that we are going to need a request manager. We're going to start with that, actually. That's the part that will make the most sense. And finally, and at the same time, the request I'm actually going to keep going. Welcome back. So, in the previous class, we decided that we needed 3 scripts, or at least 3 base scripts, an interface, a request manager, and a request. So, what I like to do with my programming when I'm creating a library is to imagine how the end programmer is going to use it. this is going to make much more sense once we're here. Okay, let's start with the most empty script we can. Let's create a nothing function just to give an idea of how we want the code to look. What do you do? My answer is obviously going to be, you don't have to copy that, by the way. This is not a class, this is not a tutorial. This is more like a class of logic. So, how do you do? Good, bad. An array of answers, request. Let's make a constructor. Finished, on finished. We want to.
But are they also using, are they not using the API or are they using the API?
Dot start request. We create a new request.
Twitch API and
It's going to stop the
utility.
poll. On the Discord, it's going to close or lock a thread. There are different behaviors to stop the request, so that's what it did. It's actually much easier than I thought it was going to be. This is the end of chapter 2. And welcome back to chapter 3 of the online poll system and Twitch integration for a narration-based video game. In the previous chapter, we created a generic system that allows us to do an online poll, at least in theory. Now we are going to need to integrate this system in the game. We are going to need an audience, which I don't have, so this is an issue. How do we get an audience? Well, you could either spend the days and
see in description, this small library allows easy shopping around Unity. The goal is to provide all the required tools, easy to quick thing to do. It handles Twitch authentication, simple request. Poll announcement, example, use the example for complete Twitch integration, a few lines, tutorials, maintenance. Okay, let's see. There I had the example. Ah, come on. Oh my god. Examples, let's see. Example, they have Twitch IRC, but that's not again. There I have the client ID and client secret, but this is again a bit yeah, different again, which is not wrong, but I would prefer to just use the API that is provided rather than trying to. Or am I wrong? It feels like they are trying to. Let's see. Yeah, they don't have. Yeah, they use networking. They don't seem to be using the actual. Yeah. Oh, that sucks. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to this thing.
But what's going on?
No. I tried to find some video on about how to do the Twitch API, but all I find is how to just literally use the network and sockets or something like that. I'm like, okay, that's okay.
No. That's basically like they probably got like some C or C++ library or whatever, and then you gotta like make like a wrapper on top of that.
No, they're still they're using just network, the engine network, and like reading actual the raw request rather than using APIs.
Like the JSON, like sending the actual HTTP, like JSON shit.
I'm not sure, but probably. At least they're not using the actual Twitch API or the SDK. So yeah, I'm just gonna read this thing. Requires you to maintain 2 game task objects of authentication. Requires you to maintain game task and game task state can be called at any time. Ensure that your user auth state is up to date. Get auth state can be called at any time to ensure that your user auth state is up to date. We suggest that you do this in the start function of your management code. Prior to first logging, you must call Twitch get. Prior to logging in, you must call Twitch get authentication scopes. There, with 1 or more valid Twitch scopes, this will return an object. Okay, so that's where I actually would like to. Well, actually get application info with scope and not info. But now the problem is that this is called in here, and that do I want to call it afterwards? Once valid, wait. Because they do like the update, they do this, but they also do required scopes. Where do you get the required scopes from? Like what the fuck? They don't. And that's waiting for your waiting for your code. Okay, so here I would normally put my shit, but now I'm a bit like, why do triggered by something external like a login button or an optional menu? Check if see if the user is currently logged in. But where do I log in? Logged out is the user do something. This is example you could also call get. Okay, so I could do this one there. It says that the user is logged out, but I don't think it really happens. It's something supposed to happen. Confusion. The fuck? Okay, now it's starting to trip, like, what the fuck? There's no such thing as a poll. Okay, if I do current dot poll, yeah, that's a different kind of poll, not the same. But let's see, Twitch Manager, start poll. Let's see, what does it do? It takes this get update states, and then that's locked scope. This thing becomes really confusing for me, but I think it's just literally is Twitch odds. Yes, the same thing. Rents to read as hell, but I think it makes sense. Scopes, odd status. And then you do Twitch API, channel manage prediction scope, and then just with all of those, Twitch API. Yeah, I don't think it needs all of that, but what does it need for all of this crate info? Like, what the fuck? You're right, no full investigate the game test per each frame interval or B check is complete to the task. Instead, recheck out state on short loop card against no maybe requests. So what do they do instead? Logging start coroutine loop. Oh, this is starting to become really weird. I think this is like, now I should not, this I should not use. Bruh. Nowadays I'm stripping too much. Let's try again. Of course, you to maintain game task object and odd state. Get out state can be called at any time. Ensure that your user out state is up to date. Generally, we suggest you do this in the start function. Prior to the first login, you must call. Prior to first login, you must call with one or more valid. What this can object type. They have like war scopes, Twitch scope, bits, read scope, and then all of these. I think that might be a better than whatever the hell that thing tried to do for me. She only request. Alright, but just for setup. Just do that, and then I will just, oh my god, what happened? Insert, and then that, and yeah. It's whatever. Scopes, read bit scopes. I don't know, I'm just gonna debug. Why can't it not? It's not debug, what is it? What is the print here? It's debug.log. Not that. Done. And let's do that. Let's see. Why was that one called in the beginning? I didn't press it. Ah. But so it went through here. Ah, so this one. Ah, okay, so it went here and then it did this thing. Ah, okay, maybe it's... Huh. And then waiting for code. And then it probably wants the same scopes. We'll see. Okay, now I'm starting to see this, how it's connected. Okay. Don't care about the predictions. All I want to see is actually user info here. To retrieve user info such as display name, view count, or user type, you must maintain a game task of user info. But I don't know, like, am I logged in or anything? Like, I have no idea, but I hope I'm logged in after this whole setup, right? I don't know what's happening. We'll figure it out. To retrieve user information display name, you must maintain a game task of user info task. Retrieve email information, you must require appropriate scope. Okay, so they just create a get user info function. But this is probably like in some if get user to get my user info, user is true. Ah. So that's my user. Okay, I mean, sure. Let's try this one, just to see that it works. Like so, I'm just gonna do. Oh my god! Can you please work like a normal NeoVim editor? Why are you doing so weird? Shit. And I'm just gonna put it in here. And then user get user, and then this. Can I do debug log display name, and then get user info. Is it just like that? I don't know. Worst case, this won't run. So how far? So it probably went in here. Gonna put breakpoints. Oh, nice. It will get in here. Let's see. No, this time it didn't get anywhere. So it was probably none of the states then. Okay, wait. Let me just put this breakpoint over here. What the fuck? What? So doesn't breakpoints work? I don't know. So we got the getting, then what was number 2, but then it failed. So it said 2 and then 3. So then is completed. So it wasn't completed. So when I tried to get my user info, this thing failed. To retrieve stream info such as view, language, game name, etc., you must maintain game. So I don't know if I'm signed in or not. I'm actually gonna switch it to this. This one looks like a little bit easier. Oh, for heaven's sake. Bruh. Then I will just delete that. And I go here, paste that in. And then I will just... Can I please cut it? Please. And then, yeah, right. I cannot do that either. Just do that. And I'll paste that. Did I get it the right one? No, I didn't get the right thing. It didn't at all. And whatever. So now I got it. And then we can just say here get stream information. Display name, where the fuck, why does it say that?
my god, it's still. He's so funny, so Yankee. Yeah.
Okay, come on. How far does this go? So we got 0-1. Then it stops. So we got to here. Then this thing fails. What do? Am I not providing the right scopes here? Let's see. Focus, scope, manage predictions, redemption, edit. No, I'm probably not doing it. But how can I see what scope it needs to work? Like the documentation ain't that good. Like I cannot. I'm just making shots in the dark right now. I have no idea what scope I need. It's like to retrieve information, but we must maintain a game state stream info. But what is the scope? What is the scope? What scope does it need?
What? Let me see. Scope can mean a couple things. Like if they're using dependency injection, they might just like if you're looking for a scope, then you probably just want like a singleton scope.
Oh no, it's like it's something from the like their in-build scope stuff.
I don't know. We'll open up the scope class and see what it's all about.
Well,
Oh, it's just a string. Like the scope is just like it's probably what like your entry point to like figure out like what you're trying to do, and then like whatever the string scope is, then like that's how you talk to the API. I'm just assuming from what I'm seeing right here.
Yeah, no, but there's like.
So like a scope is just like your.
There's multiple.
Like yeah,
scopes,
so the scope goes down.
I need to provide like all of. The
I don't know.
scopes.
See if they got like an enum to handle their scopes, because that's normally like a C# feature. Like seeing if like somewhere in their SDK. Can you open like on the left side where you can see your project structure on the editor here? Like you just drag it out, and then go to the plugin, like the plugin folder.
Wait, where's the plugin folder? Project.
It's above, yeah. It's above project. No, it's above it. It's the folder above it. Yeah. Okay. Then yeah. Now find Twitch SDK DLL. No, we want the DLL. Now you want to open that up. See on the bottom there. Yeah. See now. Let's drop down Twitch SDK.
Yeah.
SDK. Okay. Now like this is the like everything that they have in here. So like we just fucking. See, what is an auth scope down there? Twitch auth scope. What is that? Like, open that up. Like, just double click it. Double click like the whole file. Oh, you already had this open. This is what you were in.
Yeah.
Okay, so then. So this is a channel. Okay. This is all they got. What about like the interlope package? Okay, well, what do we got here? Okay, what's all this? Channel cheer event, auth status. See if they got like an enum or something in here that you can handle with. Types. Try types down at the bottom there. It won't really. Yeah, we're gonna be looking here. Types, return task. Struct holder. No, that's just kind of like a stream query. I don't know. I'm looking at this library here. Might have like all like the stuff you need. You got user info, user subscription check result, web request result, write file. Like
yeah, it has.
This is
like,
looking kind of like the juice here.
Yeah, like this is what I'm not trying to access this. I'm trying to find the stream info. This thing is what I'm trying to work with.
Info, yeah.
But I don't know, like do I need like what do I need to? Because
well, like I would imagine. Like if you're getting the library, they would give you like the components you would need. Like right now, it seems like you're trying to like construct everything raw. But if in the interlope there, it looks like they got the components you need though. Like kind of like when you're in the the Unity engine, you got like that transform like thing that I told you. They got some pre-built stuff.
Wait, let me think. Because it's like I'm just trying to get the stream info. That's literally all I'm trying to do. Retrieve stream information such as it's you must maintain game task of stream info game task. But like,
Can you just like create your own like stream info like object in your file here, and then like when you're like, I would imagine it's got like most of like the raw variables that you need to talk to it. That's what I'm thinking. So you're not.
oh, but
So it's like when you're
the thing is, I should be getting it using
passing the
this.
scope.
Like I should be getting it using this, but this thing doesn't return it, or this one returns false. Like I get to this part.
Get my stream info. Like, you know, click that method again. Get my stream info. Yeah, like shift click it. And like, what is it returning? It's returning like, what method was it?
Get stream info. I don't know where.
Get my.
Where is it?
Which one? No, go back to it again. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, it's returning an object, and all you're doing is you're calling. No, you get the object. You're calling game task stream info, right? Right there. That's the one right there that you're looking at. So it returns a stream info. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So you are getting the object. You just need to store it. So go back to your file.
But I am. But it doesn't.
Yeah.
Like it's not completed.
Is it not connecting to Twitch?
It should be.
I don't know. Okay, go back to your file. So your stream info task. Like what is the stream info task?
It is
like
it's here.
If stream info is null. Okay, so you're checking if it's null before you're assigning it. Of course it's null. That's what I see right away.
Yeah, but
so if the task is null, like
null.
you're not doing it. Yeah, no, okay. If it is null, okay, I thought it like I thought it was reverse.
Yeah, no, I get into this.
And
I
then
get
you
this
get the
far,
stream
but
info.
This doesn't. This one is false when it should be true. So it's not completed. I have no idea what this completed means.
Go into the stream info class again here, and then is there anything in here that like can you log out like the stream info you're getting? Like just see if you can log out like if it's filling anything for one.
What the fuck is happening? How do I do why doesn't Control F work anymore? What the fuck is this file does not belong to the project? Yeah, can I still search in it or why is it trying to edit in it? That's not what I'm trying to do. Control F doesn't work. Amazing. I'm just gonna leave. I just want to search this file. Oh my god. Why is my Control F broken? Okay, I'm just gonna fix my key binding because I don't know what's happening. Key map. Where's the editor? And then search. Search in selection.
It might not.
Is there a search in file?
Yeah, it's Control F.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Maybe it's you can change your your quick setting keys and settings here.
Yeah, I'm trying to find just what this is called. Like I don't know. Whatever. Okay, maybe it's just faster to read this actually than trying to find it. But like I should have like is completed. Okay, I don't know. Oh, that's from game task. So the game task is not completed. So it's asking for the game task if it is completed. And then that's false. So I don't know, like it's...
So how about like instead of like Twitch, get my stream. Oh, you're just get my stream info.
I need to read more on the like. I don't know, like it's so weird with this whole documentation. I don't understand. Like, am I missing something or am I not missing something? Like, I just want something simple to run. I don't care about anything else. And it's immediately just suggesting me to do some poll stuff. I don't want to do polls. I want to get this thing running. And I think the easiest would just see how many viewers do I have, right? Rather than doing a whole poll event and trying to get the data.
Mm-hmm.
But user is logged in, user is logged out. Do something in this example. You could also call to register login. Yes. And then wait for code. But update. Do I have to call this one at somewhere at some point, or wait for code? Use still loading. Like at least this one said in an example that I should in a update.
Twitch goo PJ Salt PJ Salt PJ Salt PJ Salt PJ Salt SSSSS is transgender pride transgender pride transgender pride transgender pride re pepperonis re pepperonis re pepperonis re pepperonis re pepperonis re pepperonis pot friend pot friend pot friend.
But I'm definitely, because I have an alt task, because when I press the button to get alt info, it doesn't go again through, it doesn't go through this because it's already, it has valid info, which I'm then like, what can I do with this? Can I get some information about it? Because I don't know, like, what the fuck is, what is authenticated? Something is authenticated, but I don't know what the fuck that is. And then it doesn't just work, like, what the fuck? This is weird. Let's see here. View bits information channel, manage channel and broadcast configuration, including updating channel configuration, manage channel polls, manage channel custom rewards, hype, manage clip channel, view if authorized users subscribe to specific channel. But there doesn't seem to be a scope for the. I just want to view hype train information. Or I just want to view channel view bits information for a channel. Oh my god. I think my whole like NeoVim thing broke.
What?
Yeah, I don't know, man. The key bindings are broken. Okay, I'm just gonna try this. I have no idea. After number 1, so basically. Oh my god. Just gonna do that. And then I'm just gonna paste it in there, and then there's no such thing as an on result. It's always tricking this AI shit. Maybe result. I think that's pretty much the same thing. No, it's not. Sure. There's no such thing as on result. I don't like this high level stuff. Oh my god, my brain. This feels like there's just so many things that just should work and then they should work. It's like, I want to go back to low. You're right. Unity testing doesn't expose on result like C task continue with. It just gives you the object with is incomplete. May result, may error. See on results is correct way would update. Keep the reference to the task and check each frame. This now again it feels like it's starting to go tripping again. or use coroutine. Okay, I'll try that one. Oh my god, I always forget that it doesn't work for some reason. And let's see. Maybe error should be there, depending on what is the task here. Maybe result. I think it's what it's supposed to have here. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. It still just gets to number 1. So is complete is never true. Amazing. I'm just gonna take this back because this should be alright. No, I don't understand what is wrong. Just joined to say hi, looks great so far, man. Alright, thanks GameDev. I have no idea why it doesn't work. Why? Why can I not just get it to connect? Maybe I should try one of the first event that it tells me to try, but I don't want to do that because it seems like, why would I make a poll as the first iteration to try something? That sounds like just such an overkill. When utilizing the poll function of the plugins, you must maintain a game task of the poll. You can use tasks to determine if a poll has started, is active, or has returned result. To create the new poll, make new object of type. Then use the new poll function and pass in poll definition. For example, new. Once created, you can use maybe result to check the result. What? The resulting variable contains an info object to check the status and choice values, age, status, and poll result info choice. More information can be found in the reference. Poll manager class. Do something else. In case this show tie, do something again. Okay, this is like literally the closest I can get to understanding. Like that should follow the same pattern of what they have done otherwise. So I don't know. I will try it. Twitch poll manager. Great. Twitch poll manager. Alright, I cannot, I need Unity engine. Like so, and then scopes that any, I don't know how these things twitch on. This one should be fine. Don't know why, let's see. It's literally their own code. This is really interesting that it's not fine. Twitch out. Oh, it's just Twitch. You don't say the other thing. You just say that. Manage poll. Alright, and let's see. Fold something. So it has this. Get then new poll update poll, but like okay, and then here we need another one of these, And then it checks that. Now you can tell the result and do something. Why is this an issue? Cannot on poll choice. How are you supposed to know what struct this was? Like, what the fuck? That's so horrible. Cannot operate choice info. What can I get? Can I get the value? Votes, probably. And the votes is a long, okay. Votes, and then I don't know, I'm just gonna go with some print like that, paste it there, paste it here, and then paste it there. And then I'm just gonna say user 1, sounds good, user 2, and then I'm gonna go user 3. Oh. I don't know. Let's see. Probably need to call it also, but let's see, predictions. Okay, so now I should just be able to do a our poll, Twitch poll, and then once created you can use the May result to check the result. So do I just do this at some point? When do I do this? I will try it here, in here, when I press this thing, I'll do that, and then I will, because I have no idea what the fuck I'm supposed to do. Why would I do this? And then what is our poll? Like, Jesus Christ. When you utilize the function plugins, you must maintain poll. You can use this text tutorial if a poll start is create new poll type, then use the new poll to fast. For example, then use the new poll function and use, okay, so I just need a game task poll, right? That's basically what it's asking for. I have no idea. Our poll. Our poll, I'm just gonna do our poll. And then our poll. And now it says, so, what? Cannot result symbol our poll, it's right here. Oh, our poll, and I don't know. Then some number. And then this has to be, or wait, can that actually be, is that a real thing? It is. Okay. And I connect list, cannot access explicit implementation list add. What does it expect? Just a string. Well, let's just do ABC. I have no idea. Boom. Isn't that a string? Oh wait, an array of strings, bruh. But that should be cannot explicit of list add. Ah, fantastic. Oh my god, I cannot. Okay, thank you. I can never just, it's never that easy to just go to it, right? Fuck. I guess I can just do 1, 2, and 3. Same issue, right? Why? Array instance using dynamic guide such as like if you write example code, you should at least try that it works. Like I wouldn't write it. What the fuck?
Lucas is not impressed.
Like, what the fuck?
Dude, he's on Stack Overflow. Dude, you know he's down bad. What?
New list, typecast, list, add, exception. Here, what the fuck? What is an what the fuck? Why can I not just create this like this, brother?
Brother,
Brother, So I have to do a new list. We'll see. So, I just know what a fucking list is, so that doesn't make sense. And this wouldn't make any more sense either, because it's like, oh my god. Ah, I just want to make simple choices, brother. Ooh.
brother. Yeah, brother.
What is this?
Do not read in the card. What? Do not read in the card. Yes, I'm reading.
Context, that's just, I don't know. What the fuck? That's not what I, brother. Okay, whatever, that seems to be fine. I don't care. Okay, so now it should do this. I have no idea. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't work. Don't care about that thing. Console. Should have started a poll. Don't fucking know. Like, am I connected? Where does it get the connection if it starts a poll? Like, I am so confused. Like, I never tell it any about my credentials. Just give the client like ID. That's all I do. That can't be like what? What the fuck is happening? All right, maybe it's just a bit late. I will try again tomorrow. I don't know, man. This is some bullshit. It's just it never starts the damn poll, and like where does it, like, what? It never gets to this point, and I think it should be asking to log in. Like, it should be getting to this point, but instead it's like, yeah, you know what, user is logged out, get user authentication intro, let's go. Maybe I need to call this thing again. I will call that thing again. Yeah, let's do that. Else, and then if that doesn't work, I'm just gonna go to sleep.
Whoa, he said bedtime?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's way past Lucas's bedtime.
Yeah. Oh, asking for users to log in. Oh my god, boys, we might be getting somewhere.
Oh, whoa.
Enter activate your device. Enter the code given to you by the device linked in your Twitch account. What the fuck? What? What is this?
Look it.
What is that? What am I asking for?
You probably got like a mail, maybe?
Yeah, I'm
I
looking
don't know.
at
Whatever you kind of cook up here, just push it. I'll like this is. That's 100% in my area. I'll be able to get to the bottom of it.
You will have everything working by tomorrow morning when I wake up.
Probably.
All right.
Honestly.
All right. So I'm just gonna, you know, we got so far that.
I'm already almost finished cleaning up this disaster that you made with the character over here.
Thank you.
Don't worry, I think you'll like the new layout.
We got a button that you can press to log
Everything's
in,
in
and
one
then
mono behavior, so you're not like clicking between all these limbs and change and everything. It's all just gonna be in one little area. You can just do it all in one spot.
Yeah, crazy. Wait, let me just So we got this far that we got a button you press and then you're supposed to activate your account. I don't know how to do that yet, but we'll figure out soon, right? All right, that's it. Okay, guys, I think I will hit the bed and we'll try again tomorrow. Continue on this thing. It's close. It's close. All right. Bye bye.